about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you.
Hey guys, this is going to be the understatement of the year, but quarantine is fucking weird. I have been on an absolute emotional roller coaster for the past however many months this has been going on. It's only been going on for like a month and a half. Oh my God. Here in Chicago, they're not even projecting that the curve is going to be flattened by mid-June. So that's bleak, to say the least. I don't know if anybody else has felt this way, where they just like go from being super productive and excited and happy to just like curling up in a ball and wanting to die. But that's basically where I'm at. I just wanted to provide a little update since I'm resurrecting this YouTube channel from the dead. Basically, I have a lot of free time right now. I did lose my job in March because of COVID-19, so I am unemployed at the moment. I am finishing a master's program. I will be graduating in June. My motivation for that is a big fat zero to do anything. So, taking 3 classes. But jokes aside, I'm so excited to be done with school. I'm so grateful that I even got to do this program. I just can't wait to be done, really. You know, quarantine, COVID-19 aside, like Barish and I are doing pretty well, just trying to get through all of this. I kind of decided, since I have a little more free time, I want to practice video editing. So I decided there's no better way to do that than restart my YouTube channel and do some weekly vlogs. Vlogging what, you may ask? Well, whole lot of nothing, but it's gonna be good. I am going to be posting vlogs on Sundays. I do have a vision of what I want this channel to be, but that involves things being open, being able to go oot and boot. So we're just going to wait on that. So in the meantime, join this emotional roller coaster, hot mess, dumpster fire life I am leading. I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. I know that everyone is going through it right now, and it's a really weird time, so I hope I don't seem insensitive by starting to post these things. Really, it's just a fun little escape for me too. I think I'm gonna go for a run with Barish because it's like the first nice day in a while in Chicago. Like, it's crazy. It was freezing out. It was so cold, and it's May. Oh my God. But we're gonna go for a run, and then I'm gonna do some homework because I have to take a midterm exam today. I'll see you guys soon. I am very excited because my Sephora order finally came in. What did I even order? I ordered this back like mid-April, so I like kind of actually forget what I got. Okay, I got an IT Cosmetics gel liner. I'm actually excited to try this. I swear that every eyeliner I have is black, and I got it for free in like a Ipsy bag or FabFitFun or something. So I'm really excited because I think I got this in brown. Brilliant brown. Lancome Hypnose Mascara. I'm gonna try this in brown. I've never tried a brown mascara, but I thought I'd give it a whirl. Try new things during quarantine. And then I got this Moroccan oil hair treatment for fine hair. I'm gonna try this right now after I get out of the shower. So this was kind of spontaneous, but Barish decided that we should have corn on the grill and some s'mores tonight. I mean, it is a Tuesday in quarantine, so why the hell not? Wave. So I got that Moroccan oil from Sephora in the mail yesterday, and I used it on my hair last night, and I actually really like it. My hair feels really soft, has some body. I did use it with shampoo and conditioner. I got out when my hair was still damp and put it in. I think it's supposed to strengthen your hair. So I don't know, I think it looks really nice. It didn't weigh it down even though I used conditioner. So I don't know, I like it so far. I'm wearing my Key and Toomey sweatshirt, little bitch. Wednesday, let's get it. Also, while I have you here, how cute is my bookshelf? I'm literally obsessed with it. Ignore those two shelves. This is my Harry Potter shelf, obviously. Yeah, this is like my favorite thing in our apartment probably because I love books. So today ended up being a really boring day to make a vlog. All I did today really was do computer work for school and uploaded the footage from yesterday. So now I just got done cutting all of this. I'm gonna make a soup tonight for dinner. So I just cut all of this up, and now I think I might go for a walk with Barish or something. I'm not sure yet. Guys, 2 full days later, I'm starting to feel better. I was in a slump the last 2 days, like genuinely. I don't know if it's that I was PMSing or quarantine is just like the walls are caving in, but not to be dramatic. I'm feeling better today. It is noon. I just started the laundry, just took Lucy for a walk, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast for Barish and I. I think we're gonna do eggs and avocado toast today. Tonight's dinner is the leftover lentil veggie soup that I made. This is so good. I will link the recipe below if you're interested. It's super easy and really good. I'm also making Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi with some tomato sauce. This is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. It's so good, so easy, so healthy. Okay, so I was really craving something sweet, but I didn't want to get too wild, so I went on Pinterest and looked for healthy recipes, and, well, healthy sweet recipes. These are phenomenal. They are peanut butter oat bars with this little chocolate deal on top. They were super simple. They have like oats, shredded coconut, almond meal, honey, vanilla. I actually didn't have the shredded coconut, so I just added more oats instead, but I actually did have almond meal. So you need like peanut butter and chocolate chips, and it was super easy to make, and it's freaking delicious. And the only refined sugar in this, based on the ingredients that I used, were the chocolate chips. So freaking phenomenal. I will also link this in the description. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Can we please acknowledge how red my face is? I just got back from my run, and it's only like 60 degrees out and it's cloudy, but it's like that rainy, humid weather. So I'm so red. I always get really red when I work out, but This is another level. I'm also drenched in sweat. Time to make breakfast. For brunch today, I made us a veggie omelet and added some salsa and avocado. We're having some blueberries and the leftover green juice that Barsh made. Change of plans, guys. I'm so excited. Not making dinner tonight. We're gonna get poke from one of our favorite places. I'm gonna go pick it up right now, and I literally cannot wait. What's up, guys? Saturday. I just walked Lucy. It is, I'll just show you the weather. That fog, how weird. It's a very windy, foggy, cool day today. I would say that it's probably in the 50s. I don't know, it feels pretty cold because of the wind, but anyway, I'm gonna go for a run and then we're gonna go get acai bowls.